Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, is there anything better than a cozy bed? I don't think there is. Now, what's really upped the comfort level recently is this Saferay green comforter. This is the Super King Plus. It is massive. If I can give you any advice, it's to get an oversized comforter. It makes all the difference. This one is a 120 inch by 128 inch. It is so huge. I have a king size bed and it nearly touches the floor on each side. Not quite, but enough to hide if you have storage under there or to hide your box spring, all of that sort of thing. And then from front to back, I'm able to not only turn it over at the top, but also have it nearly touch the floor at the end. So that is like the hugest selling feature for me. I just think that is amazing. Now on top of that, it's an all-season comforter. It's a down alternative. It's super breathable. So we just switched out our duvet that we had for the winter and it was getting so hot. This is very breathable. It's extremely comfortable. I've had a great sleep since switching out. The material is very soft. It's easy to clean. In fact, it's wipeable. So we do eat in bed sometimes and I've had to wipe some marks off of it and it comes off really easily. It's got this beautiful pinch design on the top and then on the bottom, it's a box stitch. So either way, it looks really nice. You can leave it just as the white comforter on your bed, or it does have the little tags in the corners and all along, so you can put it in a duvet cover if that's what you want to do. So if you're looking to change up your bed, it's always nice to try something new. I cannot recommend this enough. Super comfortable, but also the variety of sizes. I'm telling you, you should try something large like this. I think they even have a bigger one. It will feel luxurious, and that's my point of view.